Here's how to fix consent required on Instagram. Now, if you open up the Instagram app and you're getting this error message that says consent required, I'm going to walk you through the steps on why you're getting that and how to get it fixed. So it might look something like this. It says two-factor authentication at the top, and then at the bottom, consent required. Now, there are a few different reasons why this might show up. One, and the main reason, is potentially because somebody else is trying to log into your Instagram app, and basically they're, getting flagged because they keep trying to log in. They keep trying to enter in the wrong password. So there are a few different steps that you can go through to get that fixed. The first and easiest thing we're going to do is just hop into your settings here. And then we're going to scroll down, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Now, you're going to want to find your Instagram app. Let's find it on this list, wherever it may be. There it is. Tap on Instagram, and we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. If you're on Android, just clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the app. By doing this, you refresh everything, and a lot of times refresh that you are the owner of it, because you'll delete it or offload it, and then we'll open it up and we can see that it should be working as normal. You could potentially get a message that you need to log into your account, and you can try to do that as well. Now, if that's still not working by offloading it and reinstalling it, the next step is we're going to go into a web browser, not the app, but a web browser, and we're going to type in Instagram.com. And then from here, we're going to hit this login button, and we're going to go to login on the web version. So keep in mind, don't go to the app, stay on the web-based version of Instagram. You're going to have to enter in the security code here. Let's hit confirm. And then after we've logged in, what we're going to do is go into the settings there and fix that two-factor authentication. So I'm going to hit save info. Now that I'm logged in, I can tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then I'm going to tap on the settings at the top left. Now on here, you can see I can scroll down and I should be able to, there we go, password and security and account center. Let's hit this see more in account center. And this will give us the ability to change that password and security. So let's tap on password and security and then two-factor authentication. So this is where you're going to want to go into Instagram here, and you're going to basically just make sure that this is turned on, because ultimately you want to make sure your account is safe from anybody trying to hack into your account or just to guess the password. So make sure that you have an updated phone number there and you have two-factor authentication turned on. And then you can close out everything and you should be able to log back into the app and use it as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.